Hello and welcome to another trading session. Today is June 12th, 2026. We're
Where's
looking
it?
at the MNQ and
Where's
I
it?
see it's
Where's it?
breaking down, right? I like it for it to go down. So I grab a couple of contracts in anticipation that the price is going to move down. And I have a sell stop order at the very bottom of that move, looking to add two more if it
Where's
does
it?
go in my favor. Got stopped out of the trade for a small loss, down $33. And I want to point out that today is the IPO day for SpaceX. So the liquidity, the volume, the volatility today is astronomical, right? So we have to be very careful, very methodical, and mindful with the stocks that we're looking to trade.
Where's it?
Here I take a look at gold. I was looking
Where's
for
it?
a higher day break, but I didn't like the momentum that I was seeing. I'm back on the
Where's
M&Q
it? Where's
again,
it?
and I
Where's
like
it?
what I'm seeing short for the price to go down. Looking for a
Where's it?
breakdown below lower days.
Where's
And
it?
you can see there that I have
Where's it?
10. I get
Where's
out
it?
of 6. I have 4 remaining.
Where's it? Where's
Looking
it?
to add another 6.
Where's it? Where's it? Where's it?
And
Where's it?
essentially what I'm doing right here is I am adding to a winner and scaling out of the winner,
Where's
taking
it?
piece by piece off, right? Because
Where's it?
you want to
Where's it?
make sure that you're taking profits along the way.
Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it?
And I really like what I'm seeing. I grabbed 20 contracts, looking
Where's
for
it?
some continuation on this breakdown.
Where's it? Where's it?
And I got out of
Where's
10,
it?
but you
Where's
can
it?
see I add an additional 10. Again, adding to
Where's
winners,
it?
right? You never want to add to losers.
Where's it?
You want to add to winners.
Where's it? Where's
And
it?
that turns out to be a fantastic little trade there. I grabbed two more just because I look and I'm looking at
Where's it?
a lot of the
Where's it?
off the chart indicators, a lot of the different indexes like the MYM, the MES, gold. And I'm seeing that collectively the
Where's it?
market is selling off, right? And while this is a very extended down move,
Where's it?
I do want to take advantage of the momentum and the volatility, right? Which is why I went ahead and I took
Where's
a
it?
second trade on it. And now
Where's
this
it?
trade right
Where's it?
here, I'm not too proud of. I guess you can say I got caught up with a little bit of FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. I added 4 contracts. You
Where's it?
can see I was briefly in a winner there, and it
Where's it?
kind of starts
Where's
to
it?
go against me, and I'm sensing that
Where's it?
the volume is going to spike up, right? So I add 4 contracts there. I'm looking for the price to reverse to go up a little bit.
Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it?
Mind you, the video is sped up 5 times. So if I'm saying something and then you see that, I say I want it to go up and then you see the price going down, um, there's a lot of time that's elapsing along the way. And I do like what I see here, right? The market is consolidating near lower days. I'm looking for a push down again. As we can see, we got the break right there. I have 15 contracts and I'm holding it, hoping that it's going to go a little lower. And we get the push right there. And that pretty much sums up the trading day for me, right? I end up taking this one position here for more continuation to go short. I instantly see that the volume profile is going to go up, so I switch sides. Overall, great trading day. Made 628. Thanks for watching.